Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to AIMS Dare to Success YouTube channel. Today also we are discussing about differentiation, okay, part 6, that is related to new concept, that is parametric differentiation. It is also a very important and useful concept for board exams and competitive exams. Parametric means we are having x value, y value related to theta or related to t, like that different values they can give you. So first problem, if you do, you can understand easily. So if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, okay, then the value of dy by dx. So first our target to write formulas related to this problem. So d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, and d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, and next d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, if we get more, after that we can use it. So first of all, given value x is equal to a cos cube theta, this is the given value. So now we can supply differentiating with respect to theta on both sides. Why? Because answer right side is in the form of theta. So with respect to theta, d by d theta of x is equal to a constant and the coefficient of cos cube theta. So right outside d a into d by d theta of cos cube theta. This can be written as cos theta whole power 3. Okay, so a into, this is in the form of x power n. N is 3, x is cos theta, so that is 3 into cos theta whole power 3 minus 1, that is 2. And internal derivative apply cheyala vodda ante, this is in the form of x only but not exactly x. So supply d by d theta of cos theta, internal derivative we must do it. So next dx by d theta is equal to 3 into a is 3a into cos theta whole square is cos square theta. After that d by d theta of cos theta is look like derivative of cos x, that answer is minus sin x. So d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. So total this value can be written as minus comes first, minus 3a, later write serial sin theta into cos square theta. This is dx by d theta value. And next given second value is y is equal to a sin cube theta. Similarly from previous, that is differentiating with respect to theta on both sides, we get with respect to theta derivative cheyali, that is d by d theta of y is equal to a is the constant and the coefficient of sin cube theta. So write outside into d by d theta of sine cube theta can be written as sine theta whole cube. Okay, this is in the form of x power n. N is 3 and x is sine theta. We get, so a into 3 comes down, 3 into sine theta whole power 3 minus 1 is 2. After that internal derivative cheyala, this is look like x but not exactly x. So we can apply internal derivative, that is d by d theta of sine theta. Okay, so this is dy by d theta is equal to 3 into a is 3a into sine theta whole square is sine square theta into d by d theta of sine theta is look like d by dx of sine x is cos x. So derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So we have completed dx by d theta and dy by d theta, but they are asking you dy by dx value. To get dy by dx, this is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Okay, dy by d theta value is 3a into sine square theta into cos theta divided by dx by d theta value is minus 3a into sine theta into cos square theta. Here my dears, 3 cancelled, next a cancelled, next one sine cancelled, next one cos cancelled. So this minus comes first, later numerator only sine theta divided by denominator only cos theta. Okay, minus sine theta by cos theta is minus tan theta is the differentiation of the given values. I hope you all are understanding clearly. Okay, Nana. Now I am giving you, try it yourself. That is question x is equal to a sine cube theta, y is equal to a cos cube theta, then the value of dy by dx. So after getting answer, you can send me answer in the comment box. I can reply to you. Okay, Nana. So when you are having anywhere x is a cos cube theta, y is a sin cube theta, then dy by dx is equal to minus tan theta, you can remember as a short trick. By using that short trick, you can try to simplify this also. Okay, now I am going to take second problem, my dears. The second question is, if x is equal to log t plus sin t and y is equal to e power t plus cos t. Okay, then the value of dy by dx is equal to. So first our target is to write the formulas according to this question. So first formula is d by dx of log x equal to 1 by x, and then next d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x, and next formula d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, and d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So these are the formulas for this problem. Now I am continuing with given value. So given x is equal to log t plus sin t. So differentiating with respect to t on both sides we get. Why? Because right side values are in the form of t related values. Only. So with respect to t means d by dt of x is equal to d by dt of log t plus d by dt of sin t. Okay, so this is dx by dt is equal to derivative of log t is look like derivative of log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Like that, derivative of log t is 1 by t. Okay, after that plus derivative of sin t is look like derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Like that, derivative of sin t is cos t. Okay, so like this value you can try to take LCM. What is LCM, my dears? T is LCM, so cross multiply 1 plus t into cos t. So leave it, and we can write another given value, that is y is equal to e power t plus cos t. Okay, again differentiating with respect to t on both sides we get. With respect to t, why we are using right side values are related to t, that's why d by dt of y is equal to d by dt of e power t plus d by dt of cos t. So this is dy by dt equal to d by dt of e power t is look like derivative of e power x, that is e power x only. Like that, d by dt of e power t is e power t only. Next, derivative of cos t is look like derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Like that, derivative of cos t is minus sin t. So next we want to find dy by dx value. First of all, dy related we are having dy by dt, by dx related we are having dx by dt. Okay, my dears, dy by dt value is e power t minus sin t whole divided by dx by dt value is 1 plus t cos t by t. So slowly this t is going to numerator, and we get t into e power t minus sin t whole divided by 1 plus t cos t is the required answer for this problem. సో మై డియర్స్, ఈ ఆప్షన్ దేనికి ఉందో ఆ ఆప్షన్ని మీరు చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, డివై బై డిఎక్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. నౌ అవర్ టార్గెట్ ఈజ్ ట్రై it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. Now I am giving you, if x equal to log t plus cos t and y is equal to e power t plus sin t, then the value of dy by dx. After getting answer dy by dx value, try to send your answer in the comment box. Comment box లో ఆన్సర్ ని సెండ్ చేయండి. I can give you a like. I can give you a right answer. Is it right or not? Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Try to do more and more problems like this parametric differentiation. Now I am going to explain you next problem, third question. If x is equal to a into cos t plus t into sin t. Next, y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Then dy by dx is equal to dash. Now I can write formulas according to this problem. Just you also try how many formulas are coming for this problem and what are they. So first of all, d by dx of uv is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, this is the formula, and you can get it d by dx of x is equals to 1, and the next one d by dx of sin x is equals to cos x, and next d by dx of cos x is equals to minus sin x. Okay, my dears, these are the formulas for this question. Now I am writing, given first value x is equal to a into cos t plus t into sin t. Here right side values are related to t, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get d by dt of x is equal to a multiply inside and apply derivative. So a is the coefficient of cos t and a is constant, so a right outside into d by dt of cos t. After that, plus a into, for these two values you can apply derivative, d by dt of t into sin t. Here two values are in product symbol, so first one is u, next one is v. D by dt of x is equal to dx by dt is equal to a into, this is look like derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Like that, derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus a into, here uv formula, first value t right outside into d by dt of sin t plus sin t right outside into d by dt of t. So dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t is minus a sin t plus a multiply inside and try to simplify. A into t is at. After the d by dt of sin t is derivative of sin x cos x kada. So like the derivative of sin t is cos t. After that, plus a into sin t into d by dt of t is look like d by dx of x. So that answer is 1. Okay, so this part I can take a common. Why? Because maybe you will get it here also a kabatti, so a right outside. No, no, here directly a sin t into 1 is a sin t, so a sin t minus a sin t get cancelled. The final answer is a t cos t. Okay, we have completed dx by dt. Like that, my dears, one more given value, given y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Here also right side values are in the form of t related values, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get y derivative d by dt of y equal to a multiply inside and apply individually. So a into d by dt of sin t, after that close the bracket, then write minus again a multiply inside into d by dt of t cos t. This is in the form of uv formula. Okay, so d by dt of y is dy by dt, which is equal to a into derivative of sin t is cos t, after that minus a into, this is uv formula, so t come outside, d by dt of cos t plus cos t come outside, into d by dt of t. So next dy by dt is equal to a into cos t, then keep minus a multiply inside, we get minus a into t into d by dt of cos t is minus sin t, after that minus a multiply inside, minus into plus, minus a into cos t into d by dt of t is 1. Okay, a cos t into 1 a cos t, so minus a cos t plus a cos t get cancelled. Next dy by dt is equal to minus into minus plus a t sin t. So we have completed dx by dt, dy by dt. Next we want to find the value of dy by dx. dy related we are having dy by dt whole divided by dx related we are having dy by dt. Here dt get cancelled, we will get dy by dx. So dy by dx value a t sin t whole divided by dx by dt is a t cos t. My dears, a cancelled, t cancelled, the remaining value is sin t by cos t. Sin t by cos t is tan t. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. When you are having like this x value and y value, you can remember dy by dx is directly tan t as a short trick. Now I am giving you try it yourself for previous third question. Try it yourself. If x is equal to a into sin t plus t cos t, like that y is equal to a into cos t minus t sin t, then the value of dy by dx. Okay, my dears, try yourself. After getting answer, try to send me your answer in the comment box. Okay, I can give you a lovely symbol. I can give you reply. Now the fourth problem, coming to fourth question. If x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t, next y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t, then the value of dy by dx is equal to. Okay, my dears, according to this question, I want to write formulas. So if you know, you can write first. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, and next derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and next formula d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So these are the formulas. Now I am going to explain you given value. First given value, x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. So right side values are related to t. So differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get d by dt of x is equal to 3 is the constant and the coefficient of cos t. So write outside 3 into d by dt of cos t. After that minus 2 is the constant and the coefficient of cos cube t. So minus 2 write outside into d by dt of this value can be written as cos t whole cube. Next dx by dt is equal to 3 into derivative of cos t is minus sin t minus 2 into this is look like derivative of x power n. N is 3 and x is cos t. We get it 3 into cos t whole power 3 minus 1, that is 2 into మళ్ళీ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలా వద్దా అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎక్స్ ఓన్లీ బట్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎక్స్, కాబట్టి యూ క్యాన్ అప్లై ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ dy dt of cos t. Okay my dears, dx by dt is equal to plus into minus minus 3 into sin t, then minus 2 3 are 6 into cos t whole square can be written as cos square t. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. So later we can write like this, dx by dt is equal to minus 3 sin t minus into minus plus 6 into right serial sin t into cos square t. Okay my dears, so next ఇంకా ఏమైనా సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి అనుకుంటే dx by dt is equal to, we are having 3 sin t is common, so right outside 3 sin t common. The remaining value is minus 1 plus 2 cos square t. After that 3 sin t into 2 cos square t minus 1 is cos 2t. Okay, here one more formula we got it. Okay, now I want to write here the formula is 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. Okay, so keep with you like this, and then second given value y is equal to a into cos t minus t sin t. Right side values are related to t, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get it d by dt of y is equal to a, multiply inside and try to simplify, so a into d by dt of cos t, after that minus a multiply inside into d by dt of t sin t. So this is dy by dt is equal to a into d by dt of cos t is minus sin t minus a into start bracket. These are look like product of u and v. So t come outside into d by dt of sin t. After that keep plus next sin t come outside into d by dt of t. Okay, here derivative of uv also came, so I am writing here d by dx of uv is equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, so formulas I can use to write blue color, question I use to write red color, solution I use to write black color. Okay my dears, you can remember easily. So then next dy by dt is equal to plus into minus minus a sin t. Try to multiply minus a inside, we get minus a into t into derivative of sin t is cos t. Again multiply minus a inside, minus a into sin t into d by dt of t is 1. So one more formula we got it, d by dx of x is equals to 1. Here you can write it 1, but they are similar number. So now I am taking one more page. Dy by dt is equal to minus a sin t minus a sin t is minus 2a sin t. Minus 2a sin t minus a sin t minus a sin t is minus 2a sin t. After that minus a t cos t minus a t cos t. So next what shall we do my dears? Here actually y value, sorry my dears, from y value I have taken previous question value. So try to take a different value. Sorry, now I can take original value. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ y వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నానన్న. సో నౌ ఒరిజినల్ వాల్యూ గివెన్ y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది తీసుకున్నందుకే వస్తలేదు, సో ఈ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ with respect to t on both sides, we get d by dt of y is equal to 3 into d by dt of sin t minus 2 into d by dt of sin cube t can be written as sin t whole cube. So this is dy by dt is equal to 3 into derivative of sin t is cos t minus 2 into this is look like derivative of x power n, n బదులు 3, x బదులు sin t. We can write like this: 3 into sin t whole power 3 minus 1 is 2, and into derivative of sin t. ఓకే, ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి చేస్తున్నాం. సో dy by dt is equal to 3 into cos t minus 2 3 jar 6 into sin t whole square can be written as a sin square t into derivative of sin t is cos t. Now we can take continuation value, that is there any common value? Yeah, 3 cos t is a common value. So dy by dt can be written as 3 cos t common, remaining 1 minus 2 sin square t. So 3 into cos t into 1 minus 2 sin square t means cos 2t. Okay, you can write the formula. ఇక్కడ uv ఫార్ములా ఏం రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి I can erase this part. యాక్చువల్లీ రాంగ్ వాల్యూ కన్సిడర్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఈ ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది. సో బట్ ఒరిజినల్గా ఈ ఫార్ములా లేదు, మనకి ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది 1 మైనస్ 2 సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్, 1 మైనస్ 2 సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ 2x. ఈ ఫార్ములా మనం ఇక్కడ హెల్ప్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఇంకేం చేయాలి, dy by dx వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. dy by dx అంటే dy రిలేటెడ్ వాల్యూ dy by dt, by dx related value dx by dt. dt get cancelled, we are getting dy by dx. So dy by dt related value 3 cos t into cos 2t divided by dx by dt value, this is 3 sin t cos 2t. Okay, 3 sin t cos 2t. My dears, 3 get cancelled, cos 2t get cancelled, ఇంకా remaining value cos t by sin t. Cos t by sin t is cot t, is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding very clearly. Okay, next try it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. So the problem is if x is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Next y is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Then the value of dy by dx. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ని కమెంట్ బాక్స్లో కమెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, నౌ I am going to explain you question number 5. Okay, anyhow I can take a line. Why? Because మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఇందాకట మనం ఏం చేసినాం, ఏం చేసిన సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ని కంటిన్యూ చేసిన కాబట్టి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ని కంటిన్యూ చేసి తీసుకున్నాం. రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే దాంట్లో ఐడియా వచ్చి మళ్ళీ రాసినాం. సో వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3at by 1 plus t cube, ఇంకా y is equal to 3at square by 1 plus t cube. These are the given values. You will find the value of dy by dx value. Now we can write formulas. First, d by dx of u by v formula is equal to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. Okay, so v square వచ్చేసింది మనకి. After that d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, and one more formula, d by dx of x is equal to 1. If we get more, we can write later. We can continue. Given first x value is 3at divided by 1 plus t cube. Right side values are related to t, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get x derivative d by dt of x is equal to d by dt of 3at by 1 plus t cube. This is look like u by v, so this can be written as dx by dt is equal to first denominator, write like that 1 plus t cube into d by dt of 3at. After that then keep minus numerator 3at, you can write like that into d by dt of denominator 1 plus t cube whole divided by denominator value completely whole square. That is 1 plus t cube total whole square. So dx by dt is equal to 1 plus t cube into 3a is the constant and the coefficient of t. So my dears, d by dt of t is 1. After that minus 3at into d by dt of t constant. So here one more new formula came, so we can write it d by dx of constant k is equal to 0. Here d by dt of one constant, the derivative is 0, plus d by dt of t cube, that is d by dx of x power n బదులు 3x బదులు t. So if you write it 3 into t power 3 minus 1 is 2 whole divided by, don't disturb denominator, you can write as it is 1 plus t cube whole square. So then next value dx by dt is equal to 3a, you will multiply, or 3a you can take it common. Okay, try to take 3a common. Remaining value is 1 plus t cube. After that 3a went outside, minus t and minus 3 and 3t square, that is minus 3t power 3 whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. One more time, 3a went outside common, remaining value 1 plus t cube minus, here also 3a went outside, the remaining value t, multiply with inside 3t square, 3t square into t, 3t cube minus కాబట్టి minus 3t cube. So remaining value 3a into 1 will be same, t cube minus 3t cube is minus 2t cube whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. This is dy by dx value amma. Next we will continue dy. We will continue y related derivative. So given y is equal to 3at square divided by 1 plus t cube. Okay. So this is a given value. Right side value is look like t related, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides we get d by dt of y is equal to d by dt of 3at square divided by 1 plus t cube. UV formula already we have written previously. So dy by dt is equal to, first write denominator 1 plus t cube into d by dt of numerator 3at square. Then keep minus numerator write as it is 3at square into d by dt of denominator 1 plus t cube whole divided by denominator ki whole square, that is 1 plus t cube whole square. So dy by dt is equal to 1 plus t cube into, here 3a is the constant and the coefficient of t square, so 3a right outside into derivative of t square. Derivative of t square is look like derivative of x power n. n బదులు 2 రాసుకుంటే 2 into t power 2 minus 1 is 1. So power 1 రాసిన ఒకటే రాయకపోయిన ఒకటే. Continue next value is 3at square into derivative of 1 constant derivative 0 plus derivative of t cube. This is also look like derivative of x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1, that is 3 into 3 into t power 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So dy by dt is equal to, try to simplify, 3 2 are 680, so 680 or 1 second, try to take 3a common. Okay, 3a common from previous. After taking 3a common, remaining 2t, so 2t into 1 is 2t plus 2t into t cube is 2t power 4. Here 3a went outside, remaining value minus t square into 3t square is minus 3t power 4 whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay my dears, so remaining value 3a into this 2t will be same, 2t power 4 minus 3t power 4 is minus t power 4 whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So dy by dt value we have completed successfully. Next we can find the value of dy by dx. So dy related value we are having dy by dt. By dx related we are having dx by dt. This dy by dt value as it is you can write it 3a into 2t minus t power 4 whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square whole divided by, here dx by dt value we can write as it is. So dx by dt value is 3a into 1 minus 2t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. Similar values 3a cancelled, 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square get cancelled. The remaining value is 2t minus t power 4 divided by 1 minus 2t cube is the required answer. Okay my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. So I wanted to take one more question. Okay Nana. This is a sixth question from this class, that is if x is equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, okay, and y is equal to 2bt by 1 plus t square, then you will find the value of dy by dx. Now our target, try to write formulas from this problem. So first of all, d by dx of u by v is equal to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. And the next one is d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. And d by dx of x is equals to 1, and d by dx of constant k is equal to 0. ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ రాసుకుందాం. Now I can continue with given value. So given x is equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So all right side values are related to t, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get d by dt of x is equal to, my dears, here a is a constant right outside, okay, and coefficient of this part, so a outside into d by dt of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is look like u by v formula. So this is dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of u by v, first denominator 1 plus t square into d by dt of numerator 1 minus t square, then keep minus. Now numerator 1 minus t square into d by dt of denominator 1 plus t square whole divided by denominator 1 plus t square ki whole square. Okay, so dx by dt is equal to a into this 1 plus t square is same into derivative of 1 constant derivative is 0, and the derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, so n బదులు 2 రాస్తే 2 into t power 2 minus 1 is 1, so power లో 1 రాసిన ఒకటే రాయకపోయినా ఒకటే, minus 1 minus t square into derivative of 1 constant derivative is 0 plus derivative of t square n బదులు 2 రాస్తే 2 into 2 power 2 minus 1 is 1, so power లో 1 రాసిన ఒకటే రాయకపోయినా ఒకటే, so whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square. Next dx by dt is equal to a into, so my dears, 0 minus 2t is minus 2t, multiply inside, minus 2t into 1 is minus 2t, next minus 2t into t square is minus 2t cube. Next 0 plus 2t is 2t, outside minus, so minus 2t into 1 is minus 2t, again minus into minus plus, t square into 2t is 2t cube, whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square, plus 2t cube minus 2t cube get cancelled. The final answer for dx by dt minus 2t is minus 4t into a is minus 4at whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square. This is dx by dt value. And next given y is equal to 2bt divided by 1 plus t square. Here also right side values are related to t, so differentiating with respect to t on both sides, we get y derivative d by dt of y is equal to d by dt of 2bt divided by 1 plus t square. U by v formula here, so this can be written as dy by dt is equal to, first right denominator 1 plus t square into d by dt of numerator 2bt, later keep minus, now you can write numerator 2bt into d by dt of 1 plus t square, okay, whole divided by denominator के whole square. Okay, after that थोड़ा simplification करना, కొంచెం simplify చేయాలి, that is dy by dt equal to dy by dt is equal to, here 1 plus t square same to same, after that 2b is the constant and the coefficient of t, so d by dt of t is 1, okay nana, close the bracket, after that minus 2bt into d by dt of 1 plus t square individually, first d by dt of 1 constant 0, after that plus dy dt of t square is look like x power n, n into x power n minus 1, n is 2, so 2t power 2 minus 1 is 1, so in the power no need to write 1 whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square, so dy by dt is equal to, here the value 2b into 1 is 2b, so 2b we will write as it is 2b. I think 2b is common, okay, after that remaining value 1 plus t square, here also 2b went outside, so the remaining value is minus t into 2t is minus 2t square whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square, okay my dears, so 2b into 1 will be same, t square minus 2t square is minus t square whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square. We have completed dy by dt, but we can find dy by dx. Dy related value we are having dy by dt, and divided by dx related value we are having dx by dt. So dy by dt value is 2b into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by dx by dt value, here dx by dt value minus 4at by 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. Minus 4at by 1 plus t square whole square. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. Okay Nana, after that 1 plus t square whole square, 1 plus t square whole square get cancelled. Inka remaining value, so here minus 2at. Okay, minus 2at minus going to first, after that remaining value b into 1 minus t square divided by the remaining value 2at. Here there is no cancellation value, so we can stop the answer. This is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly. Okay, my dears, now I am giving you try it yourself problem. Okay, try it yourself. If x is equal to a into 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square and y is equal to y is equal to 2bt divided by 1 minus t square. Okay, then the value of dy by dx. My dears, after getting answer try to send me your answer in this video comment box. I hope you all are understanding clearly. So my dears, in differentiation chapter so many types are there. This is the sixth type. Okay my dears, already we are discussed so many methods. I mean 5 types completed. This is a 6th type, so try to listen and learn. Success will come to you automatically. Without differentiation, without trigonometry, you can't continue integration chapter. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మంచిగా ఇవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ట్రై ఇట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ట్రై చేసి వాటికి ఆన్సర్స్ని కమెంట్ బాక్స్లో కమెంట్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, సో స్టూడెంట్స్ మంచిగా సక్సెస్ రావాలంటే జనరల్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంటాం కదా. స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే, స్టూడెంట్స్ చేయాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రాక్టీస్. స్టూడెంట్స్ కీప్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ టు గెట్ టాప్ లెవెల్. కాబట్టి మీరు ఎప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ని మీతోనే ఉంచుకోవాలి. ఓకే మై డియర్స్, సక్సెస్ అనేది అంత ఊరికేనే రాదు. అది ఏమనాలి, డెస్టినేషన్ కాదు మనం వెళ్ళాలంటే. మహేష్ బాబు మూవీలో చెప్తారు కదా, సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ డెస్టినేషన్, సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ ఏ జర్నీ అని. సక్సెస్ అనేది ఓ డెస్టినేషన్కి పోయిన తర్వాత ఇది అయిపోయింది అనుకోవటానికి కాదు. సక్సెస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంకా జర్నీ చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి అట్లనే మనం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇంకా ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనేవి 3 చాలా మేజర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్. ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు బిఎస్సి ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు బిఈ ఆర్ బీటెక్. So these topics are very 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 important. So my dears, try to follow these problems and related to these methods. Try to do more problems according to your books problems. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding my methods. So if you're satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel AIMS Dare to Success. Support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. Jai Bolo, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Tomorrow, next video, we will meet in different method. Okay, thank you. Take care.